changes. I have a fresh salad from my garden, fresh lettuce. I have here kilawin or grilled pork chop. Ginawa, I made it kilawin or kinilaw. And I have brown rice. So, ito yung dinner ko. Only in New York. Only in America. Kinilaw, brown rice. So, that's it. Dinner time. Dinner time. Rice, brown rice. Salad. So I'm gonna eat my salad first. It's really fresh. I just harvested from my garden. With avocado, with grape tomato. And my salad is only made with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a little bit of ranch, creamy ranch for salad dressing. The lettuce is crunchy because it's really fresh, so it's good to have, and it's good to eat salad if it is fresh. I can't wait to eat my kinilaw. I really miss kinilaw. Let me see. Kilawin or kinilaw pork chop, grilled pork chop with pipino and calamansi, because I bought calamansi yesterday in Queens. Actually that's a Casey. So a little bit of white wine vinegar, because I don't have regular vinegar, so I use the white wine vinegar. Oh my God, this is since I got, this is the first time I made kinilaw. Especially with pepino and onion and ginger, with silver swan soy sauce. The reason why I make brown rice, kasi I know I'm gonna eat a lot of rice, so at least it is brown rice, so nothing to worry about. I'm not sure if this is true, but this is healthy than compared to white rice. Sorry guys. Mm. Mm. Later ka na cellphone kasi I'm busy with my kinilaw. And this is my dinner. And it's 6:30. 6:30 but still bright outside because it is summertime. But if it is winter time, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's already dark. So I don't like winter time. But if it is summer, even if it's like 9 o'clock, you can still see the sky. It's still a little bit bright. Unlike winter time. If it is 4 o'clock, you just want to stay in your room or in your bed and sleep. Digitak pangagdaan ni ba sa kalamit? I have here chicharon, pork rind from Casey's Landlady, and she's selling this for $7 and it's so yummy. This is special pork rind. So, sinong gustong bumili? Who wants to buy pork rind? Special. Okay, I'm gonna eat you later with suka and garlic. If I don't have kung wala akong ulam, if I don't have sabi ni saya, oy saksak sinago naman taan wala ko kinilaw. Kung wala ko sudan, maghimo na lang ko vinegar with garlic, chop garlic, and with the chicharon. Oh my god, see, like yesterday when I drop off Casey, nag-lunch ko dito sa iyang apartment. Ang akong ikaon lang is rice and this one. Casey wants to order from Summer Jollibee or something like that, but I told her no. I just wanna have the chicharon or the pork rind with the vinegar and garlic. And oh my god, I almost finished all the rice that she made. So okay, mag-concentrate na ako sa akong dinner kay sa kalami. Hindi, try lang na ako control akong sarili. Try to like lingaw-lingaw lang na akong istorya. Okay? Alright, see you. Bye. Good night and good evening.